Hi folks, welcome back to another series of Let's Talk. And since we are having an ISO week coming up and we are recording videos with respect to different ISO standards, so today we are going to discuss about ISO 10000 series, which is customer oriented processes or customer oriented standards, starting with 10001, 2, 3 and 4. And the whole gist of the standard is about customer satisfaction itself, and most of the companies either they implement this ISO 10001 if they are customer conscious, or they can also implement the service management system, which is 20000-1. So the whole idea is actually to cater the needs of the customer through the services they are providing. So 20001 is mostly applicable to the service industries. For example, you have a cloud service provider, so they can go for ISO 20001, or they can also implement ISO 10001 to cater the needs of the customer if they would like to do that. So most of the time these two standards can be considered together and can be clubbed together. It really depends upon the dimensions. And by the way, what ISO has done is that they have walked all the standards so that you can actually implement it as an integrated management strategy. And basically, to give you a glimpse of why the customer service processes or the service management standards are very much important, is that because while we are into the business and we have a relationship with the customer, with our suppliers who are also a part of the same business, so we are expecting something, or the customer is expecting something from us, and once they buy our products, so we have certain conditions of warranty or something which we give them as an additional feature. So they are having lots and lots of expectations. So definitely they want to get back to the company with respect to their reservations, or if they are not happy. So these standards give you golden guidelines of how you can cater the needs of the customer itself. So the codes are written with respect to customer, what is the customer expectation and what you have promised them. So we need to go there. The same thing goes with the services also. The service level agreements are reached between businesses, within the organization, or it can be with the customer also. So these customers are actually make use of this level agreements, or the service sort of engagement they have with the suppliers of that or the manufacturer of that product, and they can go back. For example, if you have bought an Apple iPhone and it has a small defect, so you know where to go and whom to approach, and you can go to Apple, you can put in your IMI number, so they are able to help you. So this is sort of level of commitment one organization or one product manufacturer can have with this customer itself. So if you are going to implement, or then if you are interested in implementing ISO 10001, so 10000 series, so you can have the requirements of how you can reach, you can make or develop the customer code of ethics or customer codes, that what services you are going to offer them. Then you can have like dispute resolutions also. You can have customer satisfaction series being implemented. Okay, you can have like 20001, and then the 20001 you can design your services in such a way that these are my services, and we can go back and see which of our business processes are providing that services. So that become critical. So we can club this thing together and they can work together for the benefit of the customers. So mostly it's not about the service or the product industry. So every industry in its own dimension can implement ISO 20000-1 and or itself as a customer oriented thing for ISO 10001. But mostly what is happening is that the call center operations, the people who in the social media, where you have a high level of customer interactions like Google, IBM and all those things, so they will prefer to implement ISO 10000 series also. This is not because their processes are not mature. It is just to have a procedure in place how to handle the customers complaints, how to resolve it in timely manner, and how to achieve the customer satisfaction in the most appropriate and a cost effective manner. So the same thing is about ISO 20000-1, because it's also a service management thing, and the service management thing is also catering the needs of the customer, because they are external stakeholders and they are buying your products or they are utilizing your services. But 20001 has an additional dimensions also, that if you want to cater the internal customers also, that way also it is very helpful. So keep posted with respect to, this is a very short introductory video about the customer oriented standards, which is 10,000 series and ISO 20000-1, which is basically catering the need of the customer or the need of the other parties whom you are providing the services. So keep yourself posted with this channel, and we are going to discuss and provide you lots and lots of specific standard information with respect to its implementation. If somebody is looking to become a consultant also, we are going to post some videos on the consultant side, or you can put it in the comment box. We have a specific training programs, and we can get back to you and give you the complete training program at a most cost effective manner. This will be a value addition from our side to upbring or enhance your career with respect to your life itself, and it will have value to yourself in your professional career. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.